Taurus, this is your channel messages for the 27th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Taurus, I have channel messages for you, and then we're going to go into your channel song, okay? So I'm getting Taurus. You are a part of a secret society, unbeknownst to you, okay? I don't know if there have been magicians who recruited you, or be getting, you don't know this, you're actually a part of a secret society. Maybe you don't know this yet. That's a secret, all right? Me getting someone's a magician. Was seeing a magician card last night. Someone's an Aries also. Me getting somebody kind of high level magic. Me feel like that person that could do magic for take away cancer, and them can do magic for put cancer upon you. Me getting somebody's a high level magician. Me getting a secret society. No, the only secret society that I touch and put my palms on before the people them say, hello, don't detour, come back to us. So they interrupted my connection to the Masonic Lodge of Pioneer Village. You understand? That's the only place I have rest my palm on them stone. Them stone what them have there, the Masonic building. But we're getting somebody's a high level fucking magician, man. High level. That man that can control people when he's not there. You meet somebody, the person can control the person in front of me. I don't know where did they take up your money and buy. Can you see this? This look like Aleister Crowley. This is what the fuck this looks like, right? I'm not getting an evil entity though. When me see an outline of somebody that perform magic, but it never feel evil. It feel good. Like somebody was doing it for release you, somebody I do it for help you. Somebody I do it for take away all of your fears. Me getting whatever, but me getting somebody is a high level fucking magician. Somebody maybe the magician will start. Me don't remember the demon name. If it's not a magician, it is a demon. Hold on, let me tell you what the demon name. If I can get it. You have a demon will start with A, me don't remember what name, and him can move men from country to the other country. Him can make men invisible and move them from country to country. Me don't know if I don't one there we're dealing with. Me don't remember. Amat in your name? Amat. Who governs? Not Amat, not Abion, Abaddon, not Abizethi Tobo. No, him come from Beelzebub. Abaraxis. One of them, I don't remember which one. One of them can move. Let me look on it. Right. Which demon? The demon what can move man from country to country. Him can move man from one country to another, and him can make men invisible. We can't. No, I can't find demon name. I was studying Numerology 2 years ago. I can't remember. It started with an A though, I think. Right? So I'm getting something like that. Okay? Alright, so let's just go into your messages, your channel song. Actually, I don't want to go into a channel song. I feel like my energy feel Masonic right now. Let's go straight into the reading. I think if I go in a channel song, I'm gonna mess up what I feel right now. So Taurus, no songs for you. Oh. Taurus, no songs for you. Let's go. We have the Strength card. You're dealing with a Leo, okay? Confidence issues. Or I'm getting you deal with one on. You're dealing with a Leo, bro. You me telling me that dream last night, Bumbleclot. My dream said me did I sit down and bear dogs start come round me. And the bear dog, different type of dog, come round me and them a sit down on my foot. All of them are sitting on my foot. And me I say, okay, what the fuck is this? And then few of the dog them, the way how them a look upon me, me getting somebody one dog what turn into one human. Or me getting to the dog where you have, that is not a dog. That is not a dog. Can you pet that dog? You can't pet that dog. It's not a dog, it's a human. Me getting it's a human inside of that fuck. Me getting look upon the way how it look upon you. That's creepy. Me don't know what it is. I feel like somebody turned somebody on one blood clot dog, or them seal the spirit on one dog. Me getting a friend or somebody they know. Me don't know what happened. Me getting a turn. Right? Me don't know what happened. Me getting something about this dog. Or me getting notice this dog act weird. Me don't know if it's acting like a skinwalker, but me getting it act like a human. I'm not saying it's picking up human qualities. Me getting the dog act like it know it be around the fucking kitchen. And it's weird. And the dog always a look for you for approval when it do things for, when it about to do things to creep it the fuck out, it's a look for you for approval. Because the dog can't talk. But it's like it a look for you for say, don't freak out. Me get in the way how the dog a look upon you. It was human eyes me I seen in the dog eye. But me getting enough of them I come around me and then just lay down on my foot. The one of them I lay down on my foot. Enough of them, okay? So I'm getting the strength card, something about a Leo. So we are going into your readings when it comes on to connecting with your spirit guides. So let's see what your spirit guides want to tell you, Taurus. Alright? So we're going to get a card to represent your spirit guides, even though the strength card, the Leo card, is the overall energy. So we have the Five of Pentacles is your spirit guides. I'm getting, where are your guides? Where are your guides? They're gone. You have abandoned them. Have they abandoned you? And I'm getting you're in front of the church. So why would your guides not be close to church? I'm getting a strength card and the Five of Pentacles. Or something about, this is your pilgrimage. Everybody have to go through a pilgrimage. I am very frightened when I see pastors go to school for be a blood clot deacon, sorry God, and then they're gone to church. Where was your pilgrimage? Where was your 40 days or 40 nights of fasting? Where was your 40 days up in the mountain getting divine guidance from God? Oh, you graduate school, shake hand, write, sign your name with one pen, take a picture, and bam, you're one pastor. You never go through no pilgrimage. You never go through nothing. You never go through the death card, the 13. You never go through Virgo card, the Hermit. You never go through the Cancer card, Chariot, nothing. I'm guessing that's what the guys are trying to tell you. Some people understand knowledge by book. Some people understand knowledge by experience. I'm getting this is your pilgrimage. Your ancestors needed you to learn something. Your ancestors needed you to be confident. They needed you to be a full, completed person, even though you never have anything. Your ancestors were trying to tell you that money, possessions. Are you a rich man, Bob Marley? Am I a rich man? When they say rich, what do you mean? Do you have a lot of possessions? Does possessions make you rich? I don't have that type of richness. My richness is life, right? That's what Bob Marley did said. Me getting maybe that is what this is what your pilgrimage was, Taurus. Because all Masons go through this first. Some people would tell you, say, when you're a Mason, you broke all of your life. A blood clot lie. That's not how Masons work. And I won't go into what the fuck you did, why you broke all your blood clot life and I call yourself Mason. And that's how Mason work. Masons are like brotherhoods. Okay? Just like the Canadian, that's the Ontario Brotherhood Association. Good morning, grand rising to the Brotherhood Association of Toronto. Ontario, right? Okay, was it 417? Can you remember, right? Okay, cool. Your ancestors want you to learn what it is to be a complete person without having anything. You needed to be confident with nothing. You needed to be, you needed to enjoy your own company even though you never had company. I'm getting this is all about tempering the beast, tempering the animal within you. And apparently, the way how we get the animal out of somebody, we cut off all of them finances. Because animals don't need money, right? Good. I'm getting this at your pilgrimage. Five of Pentacles. Your guides would like to tell you that the devil card is here, right? So we have the church. The devil is right beside the church though, which is very weird. Which means the church are working with one Capricorn man. Or this is also mean the church are working with one Leo man for bind you. No, the devil is near, you should know, and I'm getting the guys are telling you that no matter if you're in a church, devil in a church too. You think church discriminate against spirits? They don't. Devil in a church too. So you are trying to run to church for refuge, you are run to church for prayer, the devil in there too. The devil is there. And he might be at the back near the fucking podium. Also, what is your fear? Some people fear is being homeless. Some people fear is being broke. Some people fear is being old. But getting what is your fear? Because obviously, even when we take away everything from you, and you're outside, locked out, outside in winter, in front of a church, why is it that you're not scared? Why are you not scared? Me getting this is all about driving fear into you. Taurus, you don't need to fear, don't you? You're the fucking Hierophant, remember? You're the one, you're the Vatican, remember? You're the Vatican. So what your guys have trying to be, the guys are trying to tell you the 4 of Wands, yeah. Don't go church, go do nothing. Don't go church, go seek deliverance from the demon. You don't know if the church put it upon you. You want, right? The demon is in the middle of a church and the home. Or something about a Capricorn. Something about, me getting, this is so weird, me getting, the strength card is in white. Me getting the strength card take away your home in situation, but the devil will give it back. Me getting, I'll get this from a devil. Or me getting the devil will take something from somebody else and give it to you. Again, maybe you're part of a secret society, you don't know this. How can you be more open with receiving messages? The Lover's card. Me getting is a Capricorn I deal with, or me getting the devil a blood clot deal with. I don't know how is this possible. Because this is the Garden of Eden, heaven, and it's a hell. Me getting the more you feel be more open to love. Though the love may not be presented in the way where you think. But the devil card is usually addictions, attachment, codependency, obsession. But me getting, apparently, it needed somebody to be in this energy for you. Me getting somebody had to be obsessed with you for this to work. If somebody just didn't like you, or they was like, she's okay, me getting this wouldn't work. This could be like somebody went into their finances and buy your one house, for you to live in, and now they want to come over your house, come say hi to you and sleep over when them can. The devil card and the, because somebody is doing something for buying you, they're going to buy you this house, they want you there. With Lover's card. And let's see what is the guide helping you with, right now. The Queen of Wands. Yes, something about this woman. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius woman. So this could either be something about living with this woman, or me getting the Capricorn have a wife already, or she have a woman already, she have one Sagittarius, so she's a Sagittarius, Aries, Leo woman. Alright, him maybe already committed to her, because the Lover's card is beside she. Me getting, he must spend a lot of the money upon you though. Dump. Joe Bandanovich. Tap. HOMEWORK. You work not excited, your husband astray. Obey, your mate out a road not play. Take a miracle, wife you go pray. Matey a lead and also the things stay. Your Capricorn itch up on my gate every day. This is what the mate them a say. Girl, you know life, you a wife. You now no time for cuss and fight. Plus you're tight and you're bright. You make no man no want go home and I tell Capricorn the ring in and no meaning. They a yard and him say him not leaving. Plus she boring, not exploring. She not no new style if you show him. Capricorn, both wifey no vibes. He mate wear lingerie while wife a wear 90. That's why him itch up on my yard precisely. Love your life, how bounty, love Miss Ivy. Let me tell you something. You see this girl right here? She don't know how to take it and talk. Ball like a snake, pick up on her back clap, right? She does not know how to bend up like a double joint, like acrobats, right? That's why I have her husband lock. That's what she fucking know, right? So that's what I'm getting. So yeah, deal with a married man. Maybe somebody told you that somebody was married so you could have back off. Sweetie, don't do that. You may be in a point in your life where you don't give a fuck. So somebody might say, yeah, you know, this person's married, him committed to another, him have a girlfriend. And you're gonna be like, oh my God, you have a girlfriend? Okay. No, sweetie. You're gonna be like, you have a girlfriend? Okay. Leave me alone and go back to your girlfriend. Your man, you know, buck up on somebody where you say, you know, you have a girlfriend, really? Well, is he happy? Let's get some of these cards and we'll leave it here. I'm getting fear nuts. Or you don't have nothing to fear. The church, I tell you, say if you fear life, so if you come into the church, okay. But the church make money on fears, don't? When you go to church, the church tell you say, for pray, so the devil don't consume you. So the church make money off of the devil, right? Because if the devil was non-existent, what the church are going to make money off of? Them can make money like Like whether the Wednesdays, like dance, keep dance, or keep partying in the church every Sunday, them can do that and make money, donations. But me get in the church, capitalize on the devil. You're supposed to go to church because of the devil. If you don't go to church, them call you a devil. So you tell me, how did you get Pan's image, change Pan's image to a devil, tell people, say, if them talk to Pan or believe in a Pan, then they are sinners, and them need to go to church or cleanse them energy. If Pan decided, you know what, I'm going to give my life to God today, the church get fucked because they don't have any fears to capitalize on anymore. See, this is what happens to packs of sugar when a Virgo man and a Pisces woman creates coitus. I am the repercussion of my mother's eggs and my father's balls. I'm going to leave it here. No, I can't leave it here. I didn't choose any. I was going to leave it here. The sun card again. Something about the sperm, the sun. I am the repercussion of my father's balls, and I will follow him. For when I grow up, I will show my father on YouTube because I'm the repercussion of his balls. Wow, Jamaican girl, her dad is a festival song competition winner. Wow. Okay. Okay. Woo. We got 4 number. We have Pisces. Maybe it's a Pisces. I'm guessing the Pisces is already married. Or I'm in a relationship already. I'm guessing him can't leave or I'm not gonna leave. He wants both. But I'm getting one of it is what this is gonna be the family in the day where I'm go out with, go to Niagara Falls, do all of the nice things with Pisces. Yes, you're going to go to Niagara Falls. You're going to go to the butterfly park here. You're going to go to all the nice things for the Pisces, right? But then, me getting, when you flip it, you have a devil over here. So sometimes you like to spend time with one girl over here. So no, sorry, this was this. Me getting she. So your woman is a Sagittarius, Leo, or Aries woman. Me get together with she, and that is for the day. Me getting for the night or for where I spend majority of your money on. So I'm getting the man is a Capricorn. I don't know what's happening. A Pisces man is going. I don't know. Capricorn, yeah, and Pisces have something. I don't know. I can't bother. I cannot bother decode it. Jesus Christ. I'm tired of the star card. I'm going to take all type of profits. And we have no phones allowed. So I don't know if something about a pastor, him is a Pisces, or me getting a year the profit. Either way, we have the devil card and we have the lover's card here. So obviously this is 2 different exaltations of what Venus is. Okay? I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time, bye.
Oh my God.